Morning, guys. How's everybody doing? Weather's changing. First time yesterday, snow pitching in the valleys in Wales. Nearly ready for winter. Left a little late. Couple of interesting saws going today, and at completely different ends of the spectrum in terms of their condition and their age. So first one, Philip. Thanks for buying a saw, the 945 Oleo Mac. Really interesting history, Oleo. So this saw has been Oleo. How many of you know when Oleo started? Really interesting history and interesting ties to some very famous Italian names, Salsa Periglia, and then the forming of a precursor to Oleo, Sabart. Really interesting company history. So this girl is the 945, slightly later version from Oleo, chain brake, excellent compression. This has been on the shelf, untouched for an absolute age. Nothing's been disassembled, full AV, chain brake working. It's got, has a spark, zero disassembly. Philip, love to hear how you get on. It's got great compression. I just squirted some fuel in. I don't know if she'll actually fire for us. She did fire when I put the listing on a few weeks ago. Let's take that off. Or she may not, of course. Sounds nice. So hopefully, Philip, love to hear how you get on. That's the 945 AF. Yep. Love the Italian sauce. And Jack, thanks for buying another saw. Please you got on well with the 357 by the sound of it. The Dolmar 6400. So that video the other day, first time this saw was cut with by me, just hung on the shelf. It's had another clean. She comes with the Dolmar complete manual with the breakdown of all the parts, exploded diagrams, and let's see how she starts after, well, how long ago was that? Was that 2 weeks ago? Maybe something like that. There. Oh. Try the kill switch in the right position this time. Jack, many thanks. Hope you love the saw. They're just one of the most beautifully engineered saws. Love to hear what you think of her, how you get on. If I get time later, guys, I'm going to show one of the very early steel 4161cc against one of the slightly later. She's giving up about a decade. I'm going to show her running against my Dolmar 71. The early indication is that the Brit is king, but the German is giving away 10 cc's. Guys, stay safe.